जहाँ पर भी हैं आप सभी स्वस्थ हैं और ठीक हैं, उसकी मुझे उम्मीद है. या जितने तयां déjà nangin la o deriya tiwatilenjiklet interactive session o tene testing ne izukshikle chidi changa ta dolmajik silinele tene meditation subjection. So as last Wednesday we follow the same program. We're going to do interactive session, so you can ask me whatever you want. Tiwati azat tene ina mone te jupe ka ladas ka dena English ka hindi ka chibushine te umal azat. Then this thing, after that, please let me know, whenever you ask any questions, whether I should respond in English, Ladakhi or Hindi or Tibetan. And after that, then we will do meditation. We will treat Tara, 21 Tara, and then we'll do some meditation, yeah. तो पिछली बार की तरह इस बार भी हमारा जो प्रोग्राम जो है वो उसी की तरह है. तो पहले आप मुझसे सवाल पूछ सकते हैं. ये एक इंटरेक्टिव सेशन है, तो जो भी आपका सवाल पूछना आप सवाल पूछिए. उसका उत्तर में लद्दाखी, इंग्लिश, हिंदी या टिबेटन मुझे बताइए कि किस भाषा में जवाब देना है. आप इंग्लिश में लिख सकते हैं और उसके बाद आप लिख सकते हैं कौन सी भाषा में आपको जवाब चाहिए. तो बौद्ध धर्म के बारे में होगा या किसी भी चीज़ के बारे में, मतलब आप बात करना चाहते हैं तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. या जो दिन था चिवागुन लेवल छपा ताजी जुगी मिक्सर जिम्मे रख ले जम्बलिंग वर्ल्ड अफेयर्स कुंता जुगियन जिम्मे रुक पले हाला जम्बलियन चखाने ते आशकेन गंजना तेने जम्बलियन चखाने ते समते तेस्को लता जुगियन जिम्मे रुक ले जुगोशी सममे रुक मेरा समता लामेना टीवी नाजिक तेनो तेने मेरा समा तोंजिने नोजु जम्बलियन तरो माने करो मिगुन समाशकेन गन मपुजी चेशकिला दुक और जुमो तरुण पेलिंजिना दुक क्या हाल युलां जुमो को पेल सरतो सोंबसंग तरुण मता कदर चोशिस पो कक्चन दुकेले तेने ताची traveling mata yo chachis pong ngan ma chok sezuk chidi sim pabandi ngan ma chok kago mirukle sombasan jasena ta mi mo boyon tiktuk jas guna chik mari son te tiktuk ta gyar yula sumo mo pelti dukhale ta sembar ke chisen na chul chok shetene da ya gyar yula mijik hospital chobgyala ko chakar tang se jukpe gatene ko ilaj chokanji mato basan hospital chobgyat pe gorsaburi ka ko 시즈데 대죽 시킨나 소리양 스케모지도 게래 손바상 대죽 체틱도 게래 당하달라다서 율라 필라지 대죽 마차노 손바상 아다 소대자니 노데나 다지 직선 감포 미구나 잠시 낙수께 칼레 주모 잠시 미 잠시 똥스 대상마지 마다 힘지 공부시스 이두부르고시스 각전도 주스네래. So just saying that yesterday in the news I read that someone in Delhi, I think it was in Delhi, went, to 18 different hospitals, and that person was denied treatment for COVID-19, and I think he breathed his last at the doorstep of the 18th hospital. So it's a grisly reminder, of this virus, and all the lives that it has claimed. I've lost count now, but I know it's a lot of lives. And just try to imagine sometimes, like what the people must be going through when they are, like, even now, like sometimes when I'm breathing, I just realize we breathe so effortlessly. And we breathe like, I think, 20,000 something plus, inhaling, exhaling per day. And that is without effort. But then I think when you're struck with SARS-CoV-2, with the coronavirus, and then when you have the disease, COVID-19, and when you have a ventilator on your face, each breath, I think, equals to a moment in your life, So you count each breath. I was just trying to imagine how it must feel like, to lie down on the bed and then to breathe, I mean, I won't be able to breathe because I have no lung capacity. So this machine is breathing for me, right? This machine is breathing for me. And then you just try to imagine how difficult it must be and how scary it must be. You don't know whether you'll be conscious the next day, whether you will be dead, whether somebody will cremate your body, whether somebody will bury your body, right? Or whether the hospital or the government will literally just dump your body along with the rest. So just try to imagine that, and it's a scary thought actually. Yeah, I can't watch this, but so I think somebody Sadang Lamgi Yuntin Zerna Kazuginogli, please explain it. Sadang Lamgi Yuntin Zerna. Oh, let's use it. Sadang Lami Yuntin. Sa Yuntin. Sadang Lami Yuntin. Say Yuntin Zerna, road Kazuating wishes in Yale. Nale. Road Kazuating wishes in. Rodika Bajiri Kazuating wishes in. Take Hatogatenic, Tarkol Kazuatang wishes in. They'll say Yuntin to Yale. Yana Jingbat Pajigina, Jinkazuga Mogushes in, Sakazo Longushes in, Tena Sawagazo, Savan Kazo, they'll say Yuntenle. Name Yunten, Noyateni, Chapa Kazuga Babano, Nimazakan Puccino, Nama Jasena Kazurano, Sana Lame Yunten, Tezushimana. Somebody was asking, in Ladakhi, it's called Sada Lamgi Yunten. Sada Lamgi Yunten, it means like the knowledge of earth and sky. I think it's a Ladakhi saying, and I don't know actually what it means. Jesus in Zakanbo. Matsur Mishis, Sadan Lami Yuntin Zakanbo. Mimitena Samta, say Yuntin's Pasang, Road Kazo Tinguishes in, Targol Kazo Tongushes in, Nami Yuntin's Pasang, Jas Kazo Rugushis in Hale, Tesoshin, Sanmachishin, Tatiuma, Solmishes, Asan Lami Yuntin Zakanbo. Yajutanian, Chik. Non pesco la Indo, ci don't do which into what you said, yeah. Daniel, to watch don't mean anything is thinking what I no come to the gossip of it. So I request if people have any questions, you should ask. Because deja Sagalda was an Ildachipura Shunjuti Nohala. There's an Tuatili Chaumeter, that is an Tuamoputikanduba. That is an Zisman, that is an Tuamet, Tezani, and Koran, Katana, Junju Putiteno. That also Tua uses an Antiwatikanju, Julimani and Sanduk. So during the 4th month of the lunar calendar, Sagadawa, I taught every day the Patience chapter of Shantideva. And then there were lots of people asking questions, So at that time I requested people not to ask questions because that was not an interactive session. And now it's an interactive session. Now you should ask questions, So now there's no one to ask questions. So that's why. Sadal Lamgi Yuntin Tukurna Dorje Changi Compound to Barsho Yajo. Tajishi, Tayu Chishi, Tasada Lamgi Yuntina. Phil. Chilo. Tayu Chishi, Sada Lamgi Yuntin Tukurna Dorje Changi Compound to Barsho Yajo Teni. Sadam Namanopale, Sadam Lamzanopale, Sachu Lamshungazanopa. Sadam Namzrupa, Nam Man Lamzistale. Sarchu Lamale, 10 Bhumis of Bodhisattva, the 5 paths of a Bodhisattva. Yonchimana, Sarchu Lama, Mata Sangishisipia, then Sarchu Lama, Azistama, Izukshion, Swale, stage Kun, Yonchimana, or Mata advanced Chanopale, Mata some music meditation now, then in Hinjigum Chispe, Mata Seminago, some Guzagala Galayon, Sangistan, something Mata Nimugurat, then Matan Sagun, Mata Satan Borabuka, Sani Batimami, Sasun Bovici, Basistamata, then Sagun Vision Matan Pelanople, Sarchu Sapayuteno, so 10 Bumisapa, then Sarchustin, Sangistinople. Tenetena Tosata, Sarchukal Dulinjina Tenematanji, Oyan Tenega, Lamhasi situation Chenle, Sada Lamki Yunti, Rabzon Ezanopa, Dojin Company to show, Tenes Sarchu the Lama Yunti, Samat and Rabdu Zonizana, Tenete Matanchi, Tipadagosh and Tipadachis, Te Sada Lametenichi, Mata Yuntin Dubush and Yuntin Dupte, Tenemata, Dojin Company to show Zena, Tenemata Sangis, or Adibuddha, Buddha of 3 times, Wajradara, then Dojin Company to show, Tuesday. Sadam Lamgi Yuntin, Sadam Lamzurk some Hale, Conspasalia. Sorry. Yeah, finishing saying Katawashiduk. Okay, thank you, Le. Zamo, feeling very much blessed to have you on live, Le. Only normally. Stanzin Yangro 756, Kyang Chapul na Lung Top Gosanova, Le, Gosamanokle. 다시 강차차 슈몬도 지동 땅 곳이 있나 슈몬도 땅에 삼나 되냐 룸토 보선 그래서 이나 가다 인도서 착불인서는 고정 룸부터 보시면 착코라 룸지면 껴래 이낭 착풀전에 곰치스포 착풀전에 실치스포 때와더니 룸나 튀가 껴래 도양 가다 직 시리즈리 풀인 삼나 영초만 가다 직 포멀리 가다 풀인 삼나 되니 룸나 튀가 주는 튀잖아 튀미라 세터 더 건조만에 세터 풋나 초실체스 용아 노가레 요짝레 세터 땅전에 초실체 요짝레 다절던 초대비나 율바다 벌숨이 초대보 초대비나 율바레 세터 이주경전레 세터 땅전이야 야 세터 땅전에 유수경전 같다 세터리 이주 스몰람 초경전레 또 다이 절던 초대비나 요짝레 당기 기타 보드링가 가테오시아 rivu sancho choglam sala diring yulbe chogne choglam sala yulla tene aka ITBB kya pete pemaze kan yulbe ka tene yulpa gun samyang aka ria yons de ria rivu sancho yul kun tene chile chen ta chi jinap tang chi shongchama bala pura met kan chu chi dizuk chi rivu sancho de juste pas tene de son pen de ga chajen den lok sonse da sa dispatcher gun sa pej gamena lok sera yale unpack chuches mason son basan c'est da yu kayet pale 세달 당선에 실체스 보이는 줄에 유튜브 게라티스야 용하다 실체스 보 리제치로 받는 버전 용하다 실루선 그래 세달 용하다 저도 초든 유tle 팀이라 저도 초든 유 페이지 넘버 카간 타이크는 하고 메라 트르 마원 조조 마르수 뭐원 두르디 당동 결페 송스천을 바르드 뭔게 몰람 되거든 참배 몰람 센도마치도 도카라메도 고카마마 도겐 뭐 치링마 건소 주숑 상메도 봐 동호 주체 마음이 말람 난고를 댐주는 게 되죠 바고로 도 받죠 세계 공도 편주 삼벨론된지 야 도마니지 멜레존 손데 선발론도 마음고를 생게 제취소인데 제 바로는 좀 손데 장변이 게무셀 손데 팀베 동양 도도루바 정신 라마 장베 세달 때 그게 빨리 갭주기 되겠어 다만 또 아메라 이나마다 대 저던 초대비는 이렇게 팀이라 세달 때 스페셜 모션 마음 보는 좀 때우마다 다만 티잖아 왜 손님 주스길래 소리도 세그냥 저던 초대비 넘버 뭐도 인랑 뮤직상 때 스페셜 내게 또 저던 초대메다 때 블루북 조심해 되는 얘기를 라마ken 플레이리스트 플렉스폰 덴바지다 덴바지 스콜라 준도는 잡이 거미 그래 야 주도 스토밍이 준해 노트 상즈 간보 해야죠 되는 인상 뭐 7549 상게스키 스쿠 송 투스키 윤덴 니 스콜라 직몰아서던 타 상게스 스쿠 송 투스키 윤덴 스콜라 주는 되니 중엔 지심이 겹래 상게스 스쿠 송 윤데 상게 윤데 삼메접 주지 윤데 삼메접 긴디 윤데 삼메접 제로 쪽라 상게스 코나 되니 스쿠 송 투기 윤데 삼게 미캬바 인자는 빨래 고만에 그런 다 삼메나 총체 미캬래 다이난 상계세 다스코 숨투기 연텐제나 되니지 상계세 지진다 스쿠 쪽에는 전성 보숨 주상이다 베지성 보기지된 덴바 제로 쪽서다 시기만 보이길래 등이라 다대한 뭐 보지 준디나 이칸 되는 많이 그런 뭐 보창벌에 if we avoid having meat is it compulsory to make promise tamcha 다 tamcha juna 이속도 게래 tamcha met카메타 가시 티다티로 간다 샤직 스판 삼나 tamcha jugushispo when we give up meat no so somebody is asking whether we should take an oath like make a pledge ngada tamcha jugushispo ya tenita tamcha jugushispo junyana gala nokle lamaji dunla sonte ngata junaya juna if you take an oath in front of a guru I think it's good because you feel like your subconscious will prevent you from eating meat ngata tenya chik lamekane tamcha juspin samse tenya ngata stigma sha za shora manokle so inang 즉 샤마자 ngata gewa yongchispe 샤마자 ngata tene pantok yongchispo semshela panchispo ngata ra panchispo shamiza kane jaste tepetene tamchago samarokle 샤마자 ches koran samisa tamcha galashigeno so sombasan ko me kami tamcha chogoshime kya ina tamcha chona stigma yang ngata patewari chidong chazane chi zensano 당에 즉 ngata zangin jorokte ina nge lamaram bushis kundune tamcha juspin kazakhuspin pulpin samse tamcha juspin lamaram bushinge tamcha nin sambasan ngata jik semnete yonokle so it's good to take the oath to become a vegetarian because to reap the benefits of becoming a vegetarian you don't need to have oath but the thing is like sometimes because we live in a society and sometimes we go to birthday parties, dinner parties and all that. So maybe once in a while you might meet some friends and they will not force you, but they will encourage you to eat meat. They'll be eat a little bit, it's okay, today is your birthday, it's my birthday, it'll mean a lot if you eat meat. Then you'll feel okay, no problem. But then if you're taking an oath, you'll have the subconscious mind saying that, I took the oath from my guru, from my guide, my spiritual guide, my guru, so I really cannot eat. Then that person will also respect you more. He will understand. Yeah. Then it I can mampoji tuk. Jingla chu tangzani dikpa yoda no le. Chishe da konjo jinga chu tangzani dikpa de kyang ko. Jinga chu tangzani then se ka kan butik sama no ba le. Ya ju chu tang system ni chu na ko kan butik sama skama no le. Teko chichin ta korang teta ko mane chang chugi mitten da gompa jala shazan kampe yo butik sada nokle gompa jangzan butik sada nokle mata tene chi chuskol ji thungsam nam butik sada nokle dikpa yote noko dikpa zena da chi ko dikpa chinte o me kyarle ta ngespa chukshi kyarle inang chi ngata chi shok cha chi se dikpa me kyarle hawa ngespa cha pe gyodo somba som te pya ngata dikpa ching mi shashing mole mira ta ngata rangjini chi uks nan zena ngata butik ma po kena son te shian nokle 하고 부직 춘 영점하나 then 이징마다 마tok 소투자냥 부직 시대 놓고만아 소투자니 when we brush our teeth in the morning the person was asking is it bad karma when you water your field? I mean, it's not bad karma to water your field, but bugs die. There are bugs who suffocate, who drown because of the water, and then there are bugs in the water who dry out when the water dries on the field, But then even if you build a temple, you kill bugs, not intentionally. So there's a difference, There is some bad karma attached to it, of course. So that's why, I think almost everything that we do, I think maybe that's what Buddha said, never commit any unwholesome deed. 세상 도장 득바 맞죠? 때문에 득바 전화 득스 간지 몰티미로 벌에. somebody we have to intentionally mana 닝나가단 득바만이 미추체스 간다 랑고서 나오스는 그래. 제상마단 둘르스키랑 만이 녜스파만 보지 삭세노. 득바만 보지 가다 삭세노. mana 지 가지자자는 득바자비게 겨르고 부직시된 화를. somba상 지초나 맞초나 녜스파자비 득바자비게 되는 그래. bad karma zabi no nanmate ka tarung shazin nanmate ka tarung matan changtuin nanmate ka tarung matan zingmotan tizuk joran tene mate question ma kya payane so yeah is there any mantra while offering chuputta chuput badane mixlaji me kya hisuk shik mantra jita chuluk janma go ne yuda chishi ngali hisuk shik sormishesta ko jile chot jesu dong go shino pul dong go shino hale scamdres ko raji gya ta scamdres ko number chola chene ya how to stop anger chaksalelo nolos kalzang anger scoring deja ka sakal de score da chi pura juspinia to you can explain you can video tarung upload panchi juste utenia ezugit pachilo stanza kun pura het pale ata jivale te izuk kachus kunya rumboche ken chot pomi mangpo shige salduk pale otewo kazuk shi nogle 상매 땅나 릭스테 인노가 레레야죠. Shchot zaganbo atarsho de practice tinle DH is asking about your practice. 다 English 는 sabik tang samane tene 정말 라다스 kan panika English ngan kan gona hame ko bala. Ya shchot de skola just no kya. So this your practice, this drumru and bell practice that we do, Vajrayana practices. That shchot de skola sabik juna shchot zaganbo tene ngatanchik chot this no. Chot means to cut, right? And to cut what? Cut our ego, our clinging to our ego. Cut our clinging to attachment, right? And to this idea of self, this independent self. To cut this clinging, to this permanent self, this ego that we have, and da chot zegan but nga ta I dakzin zegan bole nga ta dak zenga zegan but dembe duk samjese te zenba o chachese pya tena nga ta chot zese bolte ngale tena ta chot pa tanzani minda ikerte ina ta chot de practice ta main zupo chi to shenta me chot palche wa kuzuk shona tena nga ta lus tena nga ta jimba dangman so chose nokle hawa lus lose tene ngata shaza kan shazo taktung ruspaza kan ruspazo zeste tene dalte kan guni kurte kershel demo chose zo madal kan gun ineka chotte zo ze kan so shangchenle so tene ngata jik I luspo semi ngata attachment bu buchi se pia semi chakspa buchi se pia luse chakspa bu gosan lus la ngata roshe chakspa tene pa mato korlanse so tono ol demo joano cream shkoano shabul demo joano le tene kolak minda kono ngata I luspo roshe chakspa tene pa tene sem ze kan puta ma mata mi tom manyung kan jik ale tene kata chik sem chakspa spong sem ze kan mata attachment spong sem ze kan dul chukches lama jingi ting ro pale te madul hona go mata e zuspe mata zuspo e kan zinpa chakspa te me kan chugus pa te petene chu tanse tene mata chik la lande suyut na so zo no zo ze mata zuspo pul tanga chus no tene kule mata semi ngata zinpa wang hale semi ngata dak ze kan nga ze kan tene de zinpa wang ego kule ngata chatin teno so basically when you practice chu you're offering your body you're offering your blood and you're offering your bones because we are really attached to our bodies and before we can even imagine cutting the clinging to the ego we have to first cut the clinging to this body and we have to visualize that we are offering our bodies cut in small pieces to spirits and so on and then eventually once you lose attachment to your body then it's easier to lose attachment to your mind to this idea of self this ego right because clinging to which we have this idea subconscious idea that I exist that this something called I this identity exists and because of this belief that the I exist we create all the projections right we create all the others because this I exists then the others exist because of I exist then the world exists samsara exists so if you can cut this if you can realize the emptiness of this I then you realize the emptiness of others also because everything is codependent how to stop angry lo oh yeah that how to stop angry mala mo jong chman mole te déjà yang juste pa ya chelo o tuji che rigyang mole shock loss setar gijim ba that na inti page number 522 in all book so e shoes kolong déjà logic pour juste ba he ting instagram e post ning ba gon zix teniante igtv te na video khashi yote na nya tsapik chunju gi te statsigun tseglap sot pati wan zix he blessing to get both spiritual and scientific knowledge from Rinpoche. Ole, thank you, Nomoling. How to overcome ignorance, Rinpoche? How to overcome ignorance? Increase your wisdom. How to overcome ignorance? You have to increase your wisdom. You have to read. You have to think. You have to contemplate. You have to meditate. Then the more wisdom you have, the less ignorance you have, right? The brighter it is, the brighter the light, the less the darkness. It's a bit like that. And it's not an easy task, Malamajik manokle. Yeah, Julie, tene. Oh yeah, time 200 years, yeah. So I've reached the end of the questions. Tainang ne. Tangata izuk dasa. There is scholar juste no pole. Pakbe dembaji scholar, sonle. Pakbe dembaji scholar tabiki munji juna. Ta mama po junde na ta ante ka ta sange se chusama tenal dungen tenokle. Ta julum je mama po ji merak te durdu shingi juste na yale. Marangi sambana nangjin su shiga durdu shingi juste na. Tene su shita ngata to chin the four noble truths zekan bo ngata life situation kazuk shigin nang te ka azuk charu pole tenang zobstu pole. So the four noble truths somebody was asking me to speak on the Four Noble Truths. It's one of the basic foundational teachings of the Buddha. But basically, in everyday life, we can use the technique, the teachings of the Four Noble Truths to solve any problems. For example, oftentimes, Mangpojiga ngatan chisharuk zana chik dungal jigyot nani ngatan chik nakshik thoat na tene nakspo yut zekan mo ngata man stamiru pale nga naks merak ma tik jak zuruk pale ikane so zumo yonjira man nga chang merak zuruk pale te ngata yale in naks yut kan bo ngata ngum manjine nokle so come ngata problem bo ngata isukpo problem bo yot ziga mo ta accept chogo sonokle nga problem ji rak nga sembash kyo rak nga shoyo rak nga sozumo ta rak nga tot pashala rak zeste hele problem bo nga ta zirgo son tenita ya ju ta nga sozumo yo ta yongchima na teong ta chi admit chogo sonokle teong ta realize chogo sonokle teong ta first noble truth for the truth of suffering zikan bo ta idea yongchima na generally idea te sushi no pale teni kunjung dempa hale tenita te sozumo kazu yongseno jipe yongseno hala o tene butik tap kane jaste yongseno so matru kane jaste yongseno hala topa jipe shalte no oya oma mun la tongste no zera zokla hale lactose ma posonte no zera zokla mana jo mun la tongte no zera zokla tara mun la tongste no zera zokla kharji not kan mampo mun la zoste no zera zokla kane yons te onga tasta go sanokle hago tene sti mata prevention yente no pa ya jo tene gope demba ta izumo matan kak nyenchi shi no mano hala o kak nyenchi shi ino mata tenis tachi chugo sanokle zumo mata kak nyenchi shi ino su zumo ko zo mitam chugo sanok mana su zumo mata kak nyenchi shi ino mata so putang go sanok zistre mata yoshimana o tezuksha mata tene gope demba tene lamgi demba zera chena ta so nga so zumo rak so zumo butik tapkane jase intik duk butik pang juice was mampu tung se chinga mampu zo se tezuki jase intik duk tene iyo nga ta chotap su intik duk so tongal demba kunjung demba gope demba tene lamgi demba zera chena ta iyo kazu aput go sok sweka takpil damse karkum ka takpa damse karkum buchi chukstana mana yamat khampa toksa ngisega songte sweka takpil damse tene polongjikal doji kurtil do yoga pangsang chesuk shionchimana chichogoso yana dentist ga chagoso khale dentist ga songte dentist tene anesthesia danse kulia putgoso tewono tezukshino ba sona ta life problem mata mampujik teukshiga unsolved lustenokle solve macha lustukpa 다양하다 대숙시 파괴된 바지 소싱하다 던데 generally 하다 아이디어 하거나 상계시 초점에 아이디어 하다 하거나 하다 직 코르베 동화를 제치 보면은 하다네 day to day 하다 daily 하다 지 프로블럼이다 대창 하다 이 메시지가 할래 이 스텝 지비가 이 티칭 지비가 하다 프로블럼 보이 솔루션이 너무 좋대네 아주 다 그냥 뭐지 how to face loneliness okay now this is quite relevant no sayang lole ta loneliness na nga chipu use some chispo loneliness no pale so oh yeah so I actually should be speaking also in English. I'm so sorry. I keep forgetting. So earlier before this I spoke about the Four Noble Truths briefly, and I just said about how it applies to our everyday life and how we can solve a lot of things based on this foundational teaching given by the Buddha. So basically, as soon as the Buddha became enlightened, I think if you look at history, the Buddha did not speak about how wonderful it is to become enlightened, how lovely it is, how relieved he is to be free from suffering. No, the first thing the Buddha spoke about was the very nature of suffering, the very truth of suffering. Yeah, and that's because the Buddha wanted to show us the correct procedure on how to overcome the suffering of samsara, and also how to this teaching of the Four Noble Truths. I think personally I apply it to my daily life. All the personal problems that I have, forget about escaping from samsara, that's a big thing, but even the small problems that we have, I apply this teaching and it makes a lot of sense. For example, why do we suffer a lot? Oftentimes, we don't even admit that we have a problem. Psychological problem, physical problem, relationship problem. We always, not always, but we prefer to live in denial. I think in Hindi, andekha, andekha kiya sa. Kisni kiya sa, kisi ne kiya sa, yale. Usne kiya sa. Oh yeah. We live in denial. No, everything is cool, everything is fine. Are you sure? Yeah, no, it's okay, really, no problem. Inside you feel like this, he mistreated me. He hurt me. He hurt my feelings, He was so aggressive to me during the meeting. He was so mean to me when I was young. No, everything's fine, cool, no problem, bro, everything's fine. We always, not always, but we, oftentimes we live in denial, so it's a bit like that. We don't admit that we have a problem. We don't admit that psychologically we are depressed, we have anxiety, we have overthinking, we face loneliness, and then of course it becomes worse and worse. So the first step is to actually acknowledge that you have an issue, that you have this problem. First thing is to acknowledge that samsara, the nature of samsara itself is shitty. Itself is full of rubbish. Yeah? So on a large scale, exactly how the Buddha taught, it was about the samsara. But on a smaller scale, we can also apply to our day-to-day life. So realize that there is a problem in your relationship with your husband, with your wife, with your brother, sister, with your parents. Yeah? First, you have to realize that there's a problem. You can't just paper over the cracks all the time. You can't just always live in denial and pretend that everything is fine. If you have a psychological problem, whatever it is, then the second truth, right? Then you have to see the source of the suffering. Why did it happen? How did it happen? That will enable you to prevent it in the future. So, if you had a relationship problem, how did it occur? Was it your fault? Was it the fault of other person? Did you say something to hurt that person? Or did the person say something to you and you were not patient enough? That you couldn't see the bigger picture, that you couldn't be patient for the sake of salvaging your relationship. Yeah, so you have to look at the source, how it happened, and this will help you to prevent problems reoccurring in the future. Third one, then the cessation of suffering, right? How to cease the suffering. Is it possible to fix this problem? The problem that you have in a relationship, the mental problem, whatever it is, depression, anxiety, overthinking, loneliness, is it possible to fix it? Yeah, if it's not possible to fix it, then like Shantideva said, then, like for example, terminal illness, it's not possible to fix it. If you are terminally ill, that is the definition of being terminally ill. Means your ticket is booked, you're going to die. There's nothing you can do. So you just spend the rest of your days being a good person and try to accumulate good merit. Yeah, but then you have to see whether the problem can be solved or not. But most of the time, problems can be solved. Depression, you can overcome depression. You can overcome anxiety. I've done this myself. When I was young, I was depressed a couple of times, and then I also faced anxiety. Oh yeah, I was lonely. I faced loneliness, even though I was not alone. I was not alone, but then I was still felt loneliness. But then when I was young, I papered over the cracks. I lived in denial. I said, no, I'm okay. I'm strong. I'm a man. Yeah, everything is okay. But then, as I grew up, I was such an angry person. I was such an unhappy, angry person. I didn't know why I was angry. Then, after reading the teachings of the Buddha, I realized that I have an issue. I realized where the issue came from. I looked at the source of the suffering. Then I realized, then I researched, or I thought, whether this problem can be solved or not. Of course it can, with meditation, with practice. Then I meditated. So that's the first step. Fourth one, the path. The truth of the path, yeah? So basically, antidote, solution to your problems. So then you have to look for the solution. The first is to acknowledge you have a problem. Second is to see how it came from so you can prevent it in the future. Third is that, can it actually be prevented? Can it actually be cured, right? And then the fourth is basically on how to fix this problem. You have to apply the antidotes. Yeah. So basically, it's like that. So of course, like the Four Noble Truths are much bigger than this, and I was just explaining how it helps you in your day-to-day life. How you can apply it to your daily lives. If our lives are determined by our karma, can we change? Of course, you can change. Karma is not like somebody who lives in the sky. Karma is not something that lives in the clouds and then, like, for example, writes everything. Oh, this kid, what's your name actually? Ladul Tiksele. Oh yeah, Ladul Tiksele ate me today. Oh, bad. Minus point. Ladul Tiksele yesterday went to the temple and she did prostrations. Ladul Tikse, she gave some money to some poor people. Very good. 2 points. Nobody determines your karma like that. We create karma ourselves. Karma basically means action. Karma, it's a very simple Sanskrit concept. How can I say? We fantasize karma. We glorify karma. We actually personify karma. We godify karma. As if like there's somebody who keeps receipts and, records. No. Karma is basically our own doings. For example, right now I'm not thirsty. It's because I committed the karma of drinking water. Right? If I don't commit the act of drinking water, the result will be I would be thirsty. That's basically it. On a short level, on a short term. Longer term, then I think the relationship between the cause and effect becomes less apparent. Yeah, it becomes less visible. So then we start thinking like, oh, this life I've been so nice, but then why am I suffering? Why am I unhappy? Why am I sick? It's because you also came from somewhere. You had a past life. Whether you believe it or not, you had a past life. My thinking is, if you exist, if you are something, you have to come from somewhere. Something cannot come from nothing. That doesn't make any sense. Something has to come from somewhere. So, if you really think that you exist, of course I exist. Palka Rinpoche, I exist. That's how you can see me. Right? I exist physically in Chushot, in my monastery. I exist. People have seen me today. I hope so. I hope I'm not a ghost. But I exist. I know that. If I exist, which means I'm something, I have to come from somewhere. How can something come out of nowhere? That doesn't make any sense. So, if you exist in this life, you must have come from somewhere. You must have transformed, your energy from your past life to this life. Somehow, there has to be this common thread. We call it the mind. The continuation of the mind. Some call it soul. Yeah? So, the karma that we commit, the Buddha realized that it carries forward from lifetime to lifetime. Whether we forget it or not, doesn't matter. For example, like a month ago, I know I had lunch, right? I know I had lunch. I'm sure I must have had at least one meal on 5th of last month, right? But I don't remember what I ate. But just because of the long duration, just because I don't remember what I had for lunch, doesn't mean that I didn't have lunch last month. Likewise, yesterday, I think I don't remember what I had for lunch. Yesterday, I actually don't remember what I had for lunch. Today, I remember what I had for lunch. Rice, dal, karela, dal makhani actually, karela, and then some gobi matar. I remember that, yeah. But like yesterday, a week ago, or month ago, I don't remember. But just because you don't remember doesn't mean that you didn't commit that act. So just because you don't see the relation between this life and past life, just because the duration is very long, just because you've been reborn as a different person, doesn't mean that you haven't committed that act. Yeah. So that's karma. We have done a lot of things in many lifetimes. And if you trust the Buddha, when you read the Buddha's teachings, if you think that man, Buddha Shakyamuni, if you think that man was intelligent, you should trust his teachings. Yeah. And Buddha's teachings are so logical, so reasonable. So some of the teachings require a little bit of faith. So have some faith in karma. Nothing is determined. If you have committed a bad karma, you can rectify it. You can cleanse it. Not cleanse it, I don't like to use those words. You can, overcome your bad karma by creating good karma. Karma works very differently than, earning money. Some people equate karma to earning money. No. Karma works very differently. So anyway, for example, in the bank, if you have I think if you want to increase your bank account, the money that you have, you can't, you have to actually earn money and put it in the bank. But no, karma doesn't work like that. If you have some good karma, you can multiply it according to the time, according to special mantras, and so on. In the bank, you can't chant a mantra and say 1 0, 2 extra 0, 3 extra 0, 4 extra 0, 5 extra 0. No, you can't add zeros like that. You can't multiply it exponentially. Karma works differently. So basically, but karma has so many different teachings, there's quite a deep teaching. And I was just, explaining briefly from my own thinking and so on, right? Oh yeah. En risque d'être juste dans ce qu'on se passe aller. You know, when it's in en risque na. Dans des en risque parce que je sens pas là. Oh. Donc mais amane pudi na lamba chora distance. Pudi puto me conjol ngara me gerte mane denji meta chudu kolla chik mola zadang lama ken so ta yamane khora. Tegunis kola jindura no tsapik rumo so shemichale. Da dimba jus kola ni tsapik jus ben he. Quantum physics in Buddhism, if so, can you relate it to our level? Quantum physics po tem shinga gusmedle. In quantum physics po ta chizen le. Tem shi gusmedle. I don't know. I read about quantum physics, but it doesn't make any sense, to be honest with you. So I don't know how it relates to Buddhism. The Kashi is the quantum physics and Buddhism would speak. Quantum physics now, quantum mechanics now, this could the quantum palajidu, but this could have silicon just been then. How go me? Shatan damage how good in quantum physics, which is you theory so much pale, science so much Ushinopa. Then my Zushimirupa, quantum physics can bomb magic. Scientists could talk to poses a quantum physics, but is a touch of Mirule. This could have silta silpinia. Tangatang, the Buddhism not so sinos and anti-Amidoism. How Buddhism tells about paranormal activities. Paranormal activities according to Buddhism. Paranormal activities. Landivani Yonches. Honestly, it's just another young Lupale. Ludi Yonskang Zera Tosla, Landi Yonskang Zera Tosla, Tizur Yondule. They you learn not by Yonskang Zera Tosla, Gurumbushainopa, Tulkan Zera Tosla, the Neman Teta Yondu, paranormal activities, touching Tante picture Gunastanka, Charpa Gulkan Sori, Chokse Gulkan Sori, Tizushan Disiomergia. Inang, Specianaya, not by on the Kansoyoti, the Inang, Mang Chawajitang Atajik, Sembo Tulkan is the Tonsenopole. Landi Tonche Zera Tosla, Sanla Dux Pescilachi, Greek is a generation generally. They all Semba Natanjik Jixcanistas there. Semba Chichikona, Semba Chunchaganistas there. Take you Malay Samara. They only go Dimbe for Nata Lande one Dichaji, Tomonum, doing some Landis was Chantomon, paranormal activities, Chit Ladako, supernatural is Uxitongi, Marastavelame, is Uxori, Inang paranormal activities and a chick manacon then Mishes Minda Churches on Chimana, Sanishkila, Chosenama Sang, Mustacans, oh, this is Tomonumle. Ajo. 4 Dharma seals of Buddhism. I don't know. Digital Jimita was such a Hawazikan place at Tulku in Rimboche. The 4 Dharma seals considering Michelle at Tamapojimiru. Sitting Norboya, Tangai. Doing Spanish in Tayoja. Please tell us about Tulku and Rinpoche. Tulku Zena, Tulpe school, reincarnated on Chumana. Tul Zena Dajik, magical schools in a body, magical bodies of Chumana. Rinpoche is a precious one. Tangata and Lasai Mati Chisoksana, Teostana, Tulku Ziganbo, reincarnation, Lamajik Skewa Suman in Kansuksha, Tulku Zanapole. So, the Matashkam Gunji was interested co, Skewanma, Iule Lamaj in Iskawako Suman in Tinzagambo, the Tulkuzanole. However, the Rimbuches and the young Chimataji, such a movement of Rimbuches and Ocle. The Nangata Chitoskurin, that special Lama, Anjik, some Mapo, Dukan Galatsoshi Yutna, then Kong, Chidichamatayang, Kong, Rimbuches and Diganole. So, then Makaspachin Mojigino, Kong, Rinchin, the precious one. Rinpoche is an Antigano, so let's touch more Zoshi, Dushinomania, Dajik exists that I know, but for a Buddhism Dule. And your difference between Lojong and Lamrim, Lojons and mind trainings and Lamrims and co stages of the path, Mata Lamgijimba, in the Vani, Matantic, me, Sososhkevone, Teningata, Sangishi Sapa, Kazua, practice Chogoshis, Teo Lamrims. What is the meaning of Buddhism law? Yeah, Joe. What is the meaning of Buddhism? Najita, como está tudo bem? Foi muito tempo, não é? Espero que você está bem. Estou bem, mas aqui está pouco calor hoje em dia. Ok. Deixa-me responder esta pergunta também. One more official, what is the meaning of Buddhism, Lole? Buddhism é tontak po, tenia ta. Tasa Buddhina Stana Matontal de Mudukle. Buddhism Zena Kotontaji Chamikle, because Sangese is Ushik Tachisinta, Lam Sushik Sale, or Tisha Buddhism, Buddha, this Pasang, Chik Sangiskan, Tenisangish is a Lam Zichuman Utimiru. Inam, Nampa Zerachina, telling the Buddhism Tontapo de Mahagur, Nampa Zenayale, Nastakan. Buddhism, the term for Buddhism in Bodhi, it's Nangpa. Nangpa means insiders. And then those who are not Buddhist, we call them Chipa. Chipa means outsiders, but outsiders not in terms of like them and us. It's about how we pursue enlightenment, how we pursue liberation, So as a Buddhist, Nangpa Jigzerachina, then Matan Chi Chigata Dunal Silchespo, Mata Seminani Dunal Silchesle. 하고 나가 다시 주주ste 마타 상계시스 윤탄 톱시스포 마타 세미나 요테노래 하고 뭐고 대응 마타 아직 난쿠가 스타카네지스테 난쿠가 스타추추카네지스테 난쿠가 애널라이즈 추카네지스테 되는 난파지스테노래 지바제라지나 되는 거치 진압도 규나 거치 상계스도 규나 필요가 있을 간지게 되는 필요가 살아노 되는 남네 유티아 제르도 상치마나 난파네 지바제가 뭐 대숙시 간다 주르파야레 난파제는 난쿠가 살 간지게 되는 피바제는 필요하서 땅아다야 낭페낭네 되는 바꿔지르지 지노다야 필요가 있던 소식도 미라 착집이 불러노 준비집이 불러노 다대군 필요 소식이 봐 Teo tap kaspa choste mata nangku budul chisipia tene mata chik misum pasang khata nangku zalchispo malamush gyutik mirukle so tene mata mane khora migam pilo asta sino paspang pilo yoteno namcho biang pilo teno mata rangjine chik pilo asta kan so son pasang tene chik tap kaspa azate tene skunda chori gompa chori chodme chupo zera chori pilo chala gun yu chose kazo nangku dul chesen tap kaspa choste no mane nangpa jigizna tene ko 된 담발라 낭빠지즈나 덴베 코랑 되는 소스 남고 왔다 같이 ultimately 독시자 놓고 해야죠다 저기 소식인 I think now it's almost finished Najida can you talk a bit of a full moon of Guru Purnima you mean Buddha Purnima actually yeah so okay I'll speak in English okay Buddha Purnima basically Purnima means full moon yeah and Buddha Purnima according to the Himalayan tradition falls on the 4th lunar month of the lunar calendar. This is the 5th lunar month and today is the 15th yeah so it was exactly 1 month ago it was Buddha Purnima so basically on the 7th date of the holy month the 4th month right of Buddha Purnima month on the 7th day dia set Buddha Nashio right dia 15 yeah Buddha Purnima como nós chamamos dia 15 Buddha Purnima né o Buddha realizou como se diz enlightenment yeah so he achieved enlightenment mesmo dia Buddha morreu perdeu foi embora he passed away so there are 3 major occasions that occurred 3 major events that occurred during the 4th month so the Buddha Purnima month is very holy basically that's it yeah Najida yajo con Brazil ni achili zoshigin ni parik magalayet oh yeah okay so I think now that's almost enough I think this should be almost enough and then so I think now we can read some do some prayers which would be good I'm sorry watermelon watermelon freeze so I think now we can do some prayers so please everyone open your prayer books then jalgan chodep ka lak pate ngata special yut then 212 then everyone who has Instagram and I uploaded already the prayer that we're going to do it's page number 51 yeah on Instagram 21 homage to 21 taras so please open that prayer on yeah Tara so we will do prayers homage to Tara okay then wait I forgot something oh yeah before that so before that we have to do refuge prayer which is again I've already uploaded so just check my previous post in Instagram yeah you will find it it's just written refuge okay there's no page number so what we'll do is like it's 50 minutes past 5 I will stop this live stream I will reinitiate because Instagram only allows 1 hour. Hala, kantachi mane tangena mi rukpa Instagram ko rajin banch rukpa le you interest na ni so much in tena ta chusel chispa start chun he tesina da meditation sa big chun timira minute chong shuman me kya so basa I request everyone, there's only 15-20 minutes left, including the meditation and everything. So I request everyone to please rejoin me for the prayers and for the meditation. Don't run away. Come back, okay?